Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to use the Temu coupon bundles. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to temu.com. And before we start, just give you a quick rundown of what these two Temu coupon bundles are. So these are basically promotional offers that combine multiple discount coupons, collectively providing significant savings on purchases. So for example, if you got a $200 coupon bundle, might consist of two $50 coupons and one $100 coupon, totaling $200 in discounts. All right, in saying that, yeah, we're over at temu.com and make sure to sign in. Once you've signed in, you want to hover over your name and you want to click onto where it says coupons and offers. And now this is going to take us to the coupon and offers page here. And now if you're like a new user like me, you might have some special offers under here, which you can go ahead and activate and use. And now in your bundle, just go ahead and use one of your coupon codes inside of here. And there's another way to access this as well, but I'll just get to that in a second. So go ahead and put in this coupon code, click apply. And now that coupon code is going to be activated inside your Temu account. Another way to add your coupon code is to get to the checkout page. So I've already got a product in my cart to speed up this tutorial. So from here, simply just get to the checkout section with your item or items. Go checkout, continue to checkout, and you can put one of your bundle coupon codes here and click apply. And then what's going to happen, that's going to subtract off your total order. So say if I got in that bundle, I've got a $20 coupon code, and that's going to subtract off that, and then I've got to pay the remaining amount by using all these different payment methods. And then so if I want to use payment method from here, credit card, put in my information, and then go ahead and click on submit order. And just be mindful, you can only ever use one coupon code, because as I said earlier, you can't stack any of these coupon codes inside of here. You can only use one at a time, unfortunately.